Hello friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's make this cute Mason Jars centerpiece. Like all my other DIY videos, it's easy to make and will not take much time. So let's get started. To start with, I took 3 jars, these 4 acrylic paints, some flower picks. As I am painting jars orange, pink and purple, I took flowers of those color families too. These beautiful butterflies and these cute chicks. First, took orange and added white paint to make that color softer. Then poured it in a jar and spreaded it, rotating the jar. Followed the same for pink and purple. Mix them with white paint and applied to jars. Once they are completely dry, I cut these rectangle forms in half and inserted them in jar. You can use cylinder shape, which will be convenient to use because I had to put some paper napkins to keep them in a place. I did not have them at home, so use whichever I had handy. Anyway, then started arranging flowers in jars. So these other small flower picks I'm using, which are left over from my other project. So this is it. We are done. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Till the time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.